Good morning. Hi, classmates. I'm Frances Small. I'm today today I'm going to be telling you about my article for this week, which has to deal with the Trump administration redirecting the World Health Organization membership funds from the United States to other health ventures. Um, Annually, we give around $120 million, and this year we've paid around half, and now we are going to be redirecting the remaining $62 million to other ventures. And so why is this relevant to international organizations? Well, for starters, we spent a week covering the World Health Organization and understanding its function in the international community. We learned even though it has some faults, it has also done some incredible things. It is a vital intergovernmental organization that provides irreplaceable ties to the international health community. So right now, currently, our international system is anarchic, which means that there is no overreaching or arching international police or government because states are sovereign, so they are allowed to act in their best interest and run their country how they see fit, and other states are not supposed to interfere. But in recent years, global governance has been working towards more political cooperation among transnational actors. And with that in mind, the World Health Organization plays a vital role in global governance. Its core functions lay in establishing and maintaining international health norms. Yet, it does not have full authority to demand health information from states. And this is extremely relevant and most recently seen in China regarding COVID-19. The World Health Organization does not have the authority to demand case numbers and information. And I believe that it is extremely worthwhile to increase the World Health Organization's authority so states and the organization both have full transparency and full accountability regarding infectious disease rates and other health-related issues. And why should we care? Well, we should care because the World Health Organization's successes speak for themselves. The organization has eradicated smallpox, has seen a 99% reduction in polio cases. I personally do not think that we should be withdrawing from the World Health Organization. Instead, we should be focusing to make it a better, more influential organization by fixing the things that others think is wrong with it. And with the United States pulling out of the organization, it is losing around 1/5 of its funding, since each year annually we give around 22% of its annual funding. And I believe that our withdrawal is going to drastically affect the World Health Organization's operations, and it's going to affect hundreds of thousands of American lives. And even if we follow through in 2021 with our withdrawal, we will be losing irreplaceable ties to the international health community, and it'll take decades to make another organization of this sort, and it will most likely be ineffective. So hopefully within the next few months, the World Health Organization and the United States will come together to negotiate something so that we can work together to resolve this, and so the United States can still be a part of this organization.